Okay, before we get started and get just really rolling into this video, be sure to hang out to the end of this one because although the design comes out really good, I felt like there were a few flaws. So I just got done recutting it today. I used some different processes and I think it came out even better. So I'll be showing you both of them at the end. I'll just insert a little clip into my video. That way you can see them both. Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do a special order cut. A lady has contacted me, advising me that her son has joined the United States Navy. He did in early March. He's now going through boot camp, trying to get through it, and sometime a couple of months after that, he'll be deployed more than likely. She's obviously apprehensive, which, believe me, I know we had one that went and joined the Army and actually went overseas for a year, and we weren't real happy about it the whole time. But I am proud that the boy went and served the United States, and I'm sure she's equally as proud that her son has chose to serve the United States. So what we're going to do today is a anchor, and it's got all sorts of information on it that she sent me. And the really special thing about this one, she doesn't want me painting it. She's going to get two of them, and she's wanting one for herself and her daughter-in-law, and they're going to design them up and paint them and put whatever they want on them on their own, just kind of as a joint project, just kind of probably just to try to fill some time, because I'm sure she's nervous as can be with these times going on right now. So that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be a Navy anchor, so let's go. So guys, that was it. What you probably couldn't tell is that was about an hour and a half of cutting. It was a long one. There was a lot of detail to this one. So you saw me cutting out letters and whatnot, and you may be a little curious as to why it's like this. This will be painted one color, like you could do a white here, and it will really make the letters stand out. Now there are some issues with this. I'm probably going to do a recut on this one. There's some things I don't like about it. One was the United States Navy emblem down here. Some of the letters just aren't as clear as I want to be. I probably will try a different process, maybe sink them in like this. Not sure yet. Another one right here, I got a little close with my O, so it kind of clipped it. So I'm probably, like I said, just going to do a whole recut. And another one, the L. Look how thin the L is. I need it to be as thick as like the P here or the M. So I'm probably just going to go back in and do some redesign on this, but I thought it came out really cool. Okay, so as I promised, this is the one that I was just showing you where I did the engraved U.S. Navy seal down here. And it came out good, except, you know, there's a few flaws. One of them I noticed is that I kind of clipped my W and, you know, the little thin. So I redid it and I did a different process on the U.S. seal. Look at the rope detail on it. I think it came out a lot sharper. I mean, it's just a good looking anchor. I think they're going to be really happy with this one. I'm going to get a hold of her and probably see if she ends up wanting both of them, because honestly, you could make that one look good. What am I going to do with it? I'm going to throw it in the trash bin. So I'll probably just ship both of them to her for one price and she'll have two of them. But there is the finished deal. That's the one I'm probably going to be sending her because I do like that. The seal on this one looks cooler, but like I said, the detail didn't come out quite like I wanted it to. So I'll let you get going back on the original video. Her idea on it is to go ahead and paint the letters one color, paint the anchor one color, and then, you know, take some rope and wrap around it and just kind of doll it up a little bit and make it look really good. She sent me a picture similar to what she was doing and it looked really good. So anyway, kind of a success, kind of not, because I'm probably going to end up recutting this one, but it still came out pretty cool. It was a cool design idea. I'd really like to have a shot at painting this because I really think I could make that pop. I think I could make all the lettering pop, but they want to do it. More power to them. I mean, it's their prerogative. I'm happy to let them paint it, especially if it's something to occupy their time. And we greatly appreciate your son's service. If you guys haven't done it yet, go over and check out my other channel, Smokey Uncuffed. I've got it on YouTube. I also have a website, smokeyuncuffed.com, where you can find all my podcasts that I've done to this point. The last one I did with Arms Family Homestead, it was a pretty neat one. Well, I'll say the last one, the one before last. It was a pretty good one. So guys, that's going to be about it for today. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.